Fresh off work. It's a beautiful day, just to be alive. Look alive. When the bass meets the treble, heart revived. It comes a time when that hard work from writing them rhymes, it put me right in my shine. I was taking my time. I was learning my lesson. I hope you hearing my message. It take growth and progression. You can call me the reverend because I be preaching my blessings. Or you can call me the deacon because my spirit's not weakened. Or you can call me the choir because my voice can inspire. I was dragged through the mud. I had walked through the fire. But I never get tired. My dreams are making it higher. I was born into sin. I came out as a fighter. And these beats got saline. While my voice the igniter. And my heart is the writer. And my heart is the writer. I'm trying to tell you what. Bar, smooth.
And you know, I'm ice water dripping. When I stay clean, I'm also water dripping.
Hey.
When I smoke a blunt, I'm dripping. When I got the ice on me, you know I stay dripping.
Hey.
Pop a bottle, I sit back on the low tip. Squeezing niggas. Red Demon on the beamer. I ain't even playing. I'm in the hood where I be at. I rock where I be at. Where I swing at. Dope on the scale with the scales up. I rock so hard, young niggas wanna clock me. But when you dress up, when you be out here, niggas wanna fight you, but you gotta keep going. Maintain the same, maintain the vein, and the hot blood run up with the same.
Hey, stop playing with